Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how procedural world generation works. This is what games like Minecraft, No Man's Sky and Deep Rock Galactic uses to randomly generate worlds. Let's dive right in. Procedural terrain generation uses something called Perlin noise. Unlike the pure randomness of normal noise, Perlin noise smoothly transitions from white to black. If we just sharpen the noise a bit and add some color, you can see it's already looking a bit like terrain. However, it's too smooth and not very detailed at the moment. To fix this, we can layer multiple noise maps of various scales. These layers are referred to as octaves. We want the bigger maps to act as the general shape of the terrain and the smaller ones adding some details. Just adding these on top of each other doesn't look great. What we can do instead is lower the opacity for the smaller octaves, making them affecting the final map less. Now, the noise map looks a lot more natural and realistic. We can use this as a height map to create the 3D mesh. Turning the terrain 3D is actually pretty straightforward. Imagine a plane with 100 by 100 vertices. We can loop through each vertex and offset it by the noise at that vertex position. If we make the mesh a lot bigger and add some color, it looks pretty decent. However, if you want to create an infinite world, you need to constantly generate new chunks. If each chunk has 100 by 100 vertices, that comes out to 100,000 vertices in total that you need to loop through every time a new chunk is generated. This can be quite computationally expensive. To fix this, different level of details can be implemented. You can decrease the level of detail by skipping some vertices, making the mesh less detailed. If a chunk is further away from the viewer, it can have a lower LOD than one closer to the viewer. If done right, the viewer won't even be able to notice the different LODs. That's everything I'll cover in this video, but there's a whole lot more to procedural world generation, like multi-threading, erosion, and different biomes. I'll link some resources in the description where you can learn more. See you in the next video,